I'm Wendy Schultz. I'm the lab supervisor for the City of Ann Arbor. We test our water for chloramines, chlorine residuals, and we do that using a titration method. This is water that's coming from our reservoir, which is the beginning of our distribution point. Here we're doing the total chlorine tests to make sure that the disinfection residuals in the drinking water are still safe and present. You want to titrate this to a clear from the bright pink, which tells us how much chlorine residual is still in the distribution system. Here we're using Alert 18 to monitor for fecal coliforms in our wastewater effluent. This test takes 18 hours, and it is a good indicator of what fecal coliform are in the water as it's leaving the plant. So after we put the Alert 18 into the sample, we then put it in what's called a quantitray, also by IDEX. It's a way to enumerate or count how many fecal coliforms are in the water. And this is a little bit more of an advanced method. Not everybody's using it, but it's much faster than the old way of membrane filtration. And we really enjoy the accuracy of it and the way that the samples between analysts can be counted. They're comparative. Once the sample's in the quantitray, then it gets sealed in here with this heat sealer, which allows it to then be submerged in our water bath and incubated. It incubates for about 18 hours, and then when we pull it out, we read it. We count the colored cells and or the fluorescent cells. It's really easy to do. Once you've got the final number, we compare it using a chart, and that gives us the final number of fecal coliform. Analytical laboratories have quite a few challenges coming up, especially for both drinking water and wastewater. We have per and polyfluorinated compounds, PFAS, regulations that are just around the corner. The EPA is going to start issuing those environmental laws, and laboratories are going to have to meet those regulations. So the technology has to get more and more advanced for the testing, and the people need to be more and more trained.